I just used shift codes and got that many. I got 20, I already had 8. And I'm going. I'm going to open up a bunch of packages and my camera holder, if you can't see, 1 second, is gonna be my brother. Here.
What?
Hold this on the camera, on the TV. You can get real close if you have to.
Okay.
Get real close to make sure you have the whole TV. Okay, guys, this is opening up, me opening up chests. This is just gonna show what I'm gonna get. Okay, got shields. Okay, I got really good ones. This one for my brother. Okay, I'm gonna open it up again. I got 2 pistols again. 6,000, 3,000. That's mine. That can be my brother's. I'm gonna check my inventory, see how much space I got left. Okay. I'm gonna buy it again. Another freaking pair of shields. 26. Both can be my brother. 26. Okay, I'm buying another one. I got an RPG, 42,000 damage. That's pretty good. For now. Ooh, I got 2 things. That's for Siren, that's for Gunzerker. They both suck. Might just sell them. Buy this thing again. Another RPG, 46,000, probably my brother. Buy it again. See what I get. Okay. I got SMG and a shotgun. Well, let's look at the shotgun. The shotguns, if you guys can't see that, 2,130 times 10. You can even get close and check out that stats. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. And then that's not bad for an SMG. Right there. Ecumenous Gospel. So yeah, that's pretty good. Got some pretty good weapons here. Not bad at all. Okay, I'm gonna see my space. I have enough for 1 more gun. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to...
Hey, wanna hear the new dubstep song I wrote? Hey, you wanna hear my
is I'm gonna drop... Listen, this is...
Claptrap?
That was Claptrap's little dubstep he dropped off there. Yeah, if you guys like that. I'm gonna drop this for my brother, so I have an extra space. Guys, this video, I'm only gonna open up 8 chests. I'll open up a bunch of them later, level 50, maybe when I'm level 61 or something. Here's assault rifle. It's tactical rockets. You wanna... Let's not get... Okay. And then here's another...
Shotgun? It's a shotgun.
Assault shotgun. Not as good as my other one. Okay, guys. And that was my 8 chest open up. And to show you guys what I all got, I'm gonna drop it on the floor. Got that. Got that. Got that. Got that.
Now that's amazing.
Got this. Okay. And I didn't get that. Anything not starred is what I got. Okay. And okay, I got that. And I got all these. a lot of shields, a couple rocket launchers, pretty good shotguns, like that one. I don't know. There's that shotgun. I'm probably gonna use that one. Assault rifle. Another rocket launcher. A good old pistol, kind of like the one I have. See, there's even a resemblance, just not the scope.
Can I have that one?
Well, this is what I got. And so far, guys, I'm just gonna drop what's my brother's. Which is that. And this, and this, and that. That. That's a pistol.
Getting tired.
And here's a bunch of my weapons. And can't believe I got a siren one. I got this. I really had to try for this. I had to kill him so many times. I did it. I got it 2 times for me both and my brother. And yeah, guys, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Got a bunch of stuff. Hope you liked it. And peace out.